Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Canva 500 server error quickly and easily. Let's get right into it. First, this error usually means there's a temporary issue on Canva servers. Before anything else, check if Canva is down by visiting downdetector.com or status.canva.com. If the site shows a problem, just wait a bit and try again later. If Canva isn't down, try refreshing your browser or closing and reopening the Canva app. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies. This often fixes temporary glitches. Next, try switching to a different browser or device. Sometimes Chrome, Safari, or Edge may act up, so switching can help. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're still seeing the error, log out and log back into your Canva account. This refreshes your session and usually solves it. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Canva 500 server error in just a few steps. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.